Hello, my name is Real. I'm 30 years old. I just recently moved to Houston, Texas from Kansas City, Missouri last year. Me, my husband, and our 4 kids. The purpose of this video is because I just had a tubal reversal done, and I just wanted to share my experience. I've seen a few other testimonies and, like follow-up videos or people with their journey, and a lot of questions that I had went unanswered and still are unanswered. So I basically want to kind of share my experience with it, and I'm quite sure that there are other women out here just like me. They're looking for answers, just don't know which way to go. So I just want to share a little bit about my experience. I had my tubes tied when I was 21 years old with my youngest child. I have 4 kids. He's 8 years old. He'll be 9 this year. My oldest will be 13. I have a 12-year-old and a 10-year-old. Um, Me and my husband has been together for 8 years now, and we decided a couple years ago that we wanted to go ahead and have a tubal reversal done. So the hard part was finding a good place to go. Finding a good place to go, a good cost, you can say, some preferably cheaper. We do have a large family. So we found Dr. Levi at RIO Bravo Reversals. It's in Mexico. We had to get us a passport. We got the passport 2 days before we went. We had it expedited. It costed $150 a piece. The cost for the whole surgery was $3,300, and that covers your stay plus one. So me and my husband was covered for the hospital stay, bedding, and food while we were there. It covered the anesthetics and everything I needed for my procedures, and as well as what is it? What is it? Oh, epidural. Um, so we got there a day early. We got to stay at the hospital that night. Woke up that morning about 6. They got started on fluids, got me the my IV and everything. I was in surgery by 8 o'clock that morning. They allowed for my husband to be in surgery the whole time. He had on his scrubs and everything, so he got to be in the room with me. We first had to pay $650 to secure our date, and the remainder of the cost was exactly. Let me get it because I have it here. $28.65, and that they covered everything. We drove to Mexico. A lot of people was trying to talk us out of it. Why would you go to Mexico? Why would you do this? Why not? Same as us moving from Kansas City to Houston, Texas. Why would you move there? Why not? It's my life. It's our life. It's what makes us happy. So that's what we want to do. As well as this, we want to have a baby. The husband doesn't have any kids biologically. He's been a father to my kids, a wonderful father to mine for 8 years, and he deserves it. He deserves a baby, and I want to give him one. I'm going to give him one. So, I'm 30 years old. Um, where we went, it was 5 hours from here in Rio Bravo, New Mexico. Um, Dr. Levi was wonderful to us. Everything that we needed, he gave me printouts of everything. This is all my paperwork from the doctor. Everything. My medical records there from the surgery. This is my post-op report. And they gave me some naproxen and some antibiotics after the surgery for the healing process. That's fine. These are the antibiotics they gave me. And this is the naproxen they gave me. Actually did help. The antibiotics was to prevent any infections or anything that might have came after the procedure. So we've been actively trying. I've actually thought that I was pregnant. We're still not sure. It's only been a month, but I did take a pregnancy test a couple days ago, well, about a week ago, and we got a faint positive. If you can see that, it's a faint positive. So We still not sure, but if you're thinking about having your tubes untied, getting a reversal surgery, I would go for it. You know, like if it's gonna make you happy and you wanna, you know, you made a decision to get the reversal done when you were younger, you know, thinking for the now. That was my case. I was thinking about the now. I wasn't thinking about the future or how I would feel if I was to get married and want to have a kid. And that's just what happened. And we're doing something about it. We just had our surgery. Now we're in the process of conceiving. I'm actually also looking for other ways to help with conceiving. I did find out that I have ovarian cysts, but they said that wouldn't be a problem with me getting pregnant and being able to stay pregnant. That's the goal, getting pregnant and staying pregnant. Um, this is not going to be my last video. I do plan on making another one. I just wanted to, you know, put it out there. I mean, and this happened this year, March 5th, 2018. It was a wonderful experience. I have pictures, videos. I'll upload those too. I'll let you all meet my husband. He's a goofball, but I love him dearly. He's goofy, but that's my husband. And we're doing this for us. It's a lot of people that don't agree with it, but I'm not married to them. He's not married to them. We're married to each other. This is a decision that we came with together. Like, this is what we want to do. So we're doing it. And so far, so good. Just, it just drives me crazy sometimes. You know, you just want to be pregnant right then. Like, am I pregnant? Am I pregnant? Am I pregnant yet? I need answers. I need a baby in me. I'm ready for the big belly and the morning sickness and the backaches. I want it so bad. And what I like to do, speak life into a situation. I went crazy, like just going crazy thinking about how bad I wanted to have the surgery. Oh, I was so anxious, so tired of waiting. I wanted it to happen. It happened finally. And since it's happened, I'm still not satisfied because I haven't had the baby yet. I'm ready for a baby. But you have to be patient. And that's what I'm learning right now is patience. I'm not asking for patience because I don't want to wait. But I know I have to. So I'm accepting patience because there's nothing I can do about it. You know, it's one day at a time. One cycle at a time. I'm just happy to know that my tubes are untied. I feel whole again. I don't recommend any woman ever getting a tubal ligation. I don't care what the circumstances are. There are other ways. If you can go about it in a different way of avoiding tubal ligation, find other forms of birth control. There are plenty of them out there. But don't permanently neuter yourself, because that's basically what I did as well. And I heard another woman mention as far as she felt neutered. I feel the same way, but I'm past that part. I'm a month post-opt, going into 2 months, still actively trying, hoping for the best. I will be coming back with another video. I will keep you all updated. This is part 1 of my tubal reversal journey, and I plan to keep coming back with more. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, I'm really actually new to this whole thing, but support doesn't hurt anybody. And I know there's other women out here in my same situation. Upload a video if you have to. Ask questions. Do what you feel. And I know by doing this, I could reach out to a lot of people and also get a lot of my questions answered as well. Because there's so much I want to know. So much. So just subscribe to my channel, like the video, dislike it, tell me what I could have done differently, anything I left out. You are welcome to ask any questions. I'm more than happy to answer them, and I will be seeing you guys later. Thanks again.